What's going on, guys? ZoQohola here. Welcome back to another video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to see the latest videos. Today I do a quick review and unboxing of the HSPRO Earphones. So there we have the earphones. These earphones comes in a black box. Inside the box we find a nice carrying case. Inside the case we find a nice pair of earphones, a micro USB charging cable and 2 sets of extra ear tips. Looking at the HSPRO earphones, we can see that they looks very good. On the front we can see that they have a black finish and shiny green edges. These earphones comes also with fixed ear hooks. The left earphone doesn't have any buttons and you can pair them with the right earphone only. The right earphone have all the control buttons. If you want to change or skip track, you can use the plus and minus buttons. You can easily pair these earphones by pressing the power button for a few seconds and then the earphones are connected to your smartphone. The earphones stays and fit very comfortable in your ears and I did not feel any pain when I've been using them. HSPRO comes with some cool features like built-in memory, MP3 player and 12 hours of listening time. The built-in memory and the MP3 player are both great features. They have 8 gigs built-in memory and you can drag and drop music to your earphones easily and listen your favorite music during your workout. HSPRO are IPX5 water and dust resistant, which means that you can splash them but you cannot submerge them in water. They are Bluetooth 5.0 compatible and works with almost all the new smartphones on the market. HSPRO really impressed me. When we talk about the sound quality, I can say that they produce a great sound for the price range. The highs and the mids are there and they produce a stereo sound. The bass is good also, but not the best. The quality of the phone calls is above other earphones that I've tested. HSPRO earphones support Google Assistant. With these earphones you will not see any delay when you will be watching your favorite movies or video clips. The final opinion is that these earphones produce a very good sound for this price range. If the volume will be slightly higher for my taste, I could say that they can compete with the top earphones on the market. They also comes with 8 gigs of internal memory storage, which is a great feature in my opinion. You can buy them from Amazon and they cost about £24. You can check the link down below if you want to buy. Well guys, that is all for today. Thanks for watching, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification button to see the latest videos. Well, till the next time, see you guys, bye bye.